Welcome to our production facility in Rosersberg, Stockholm, Sweden. Let's take a look around. The Rosersberg site runs on 100% renewable electricity. We use a tagged system to ensure optimal efficiency of not only our production line, but for all of our stations across the globe. Let's see how our latest innovation, the Rely unit, is made. We use advanced equipment to do the heavy lifting so that our experts can focus on what they do best. We recycle as much of our waste as possible. We have a strong focus on digitalisation, not only in the design of our products, but also in how they're manufactured and maintained. We use techniques like digital inventories and QR codes to not only improve efficiency, but to also be more sustainable. Once the finished container has been tested, it's ready to go out to our customers to ship their valuable pharmaceuticals.